What's up, guys? This is Chris with Omnidek. Thanks for clicking on the video. I wanted to tell you a little bit about some of the new use cases that we're starting to see clients implement with Omnidek. As everybody knows, timesheets are everybody kind of has them. There's a million vendors out there to try to figure out which one makes the most sense. We always kind of dumb it down and say it's 6 pieces of information, right? And those 6 pieces of information can be some of the most crucial ones of getting costs into the system, getting our production units analyzed and whatnot. But what we wanted to showcase is that what we're starting to see more and more clients use with Omnidek is because we have this dynamic ability to capture granular data for different points. We're starting to see people implement things like grading scales. So like on top of the day, the employee, the activity code, the pay type, things like that, and the amount, we're gathering another question series, which is just, rate 1 to 5, or maybe a pick list of, of non-satisfactory, satisfactory, excellent, right? Some kind of way to rate the task that was performed by that particular employee. You already kind of have a captive audience of filling out the timesheet. It's just one more data point. But by doing this, we're starting to see clients being able to step back and analyze not just the activity that they're doing, but also the quality of that activity, right? So each transaction that would come in using the Omnidek platform would have all the base pay type information, but you'd also have this nice, 1 to 5 scale for grading the employee, right? And we can average that over time. We can average that across employee or across job, right? Across division. And what that helps out is that now we can start seeing, how does my workforce fare as far as the quality of the work that they're producing, the attentiveness to detail, right? All of these little data points that we may want to measure over time and analyze, we can now do that with the flexibility of the Omnidek platform. That in conjunction with an employee scorecard, where the managers kind of fill that out periodically throughout the job, or maybe whenever there's an advancement request or something along those lines, they can now gather good data points on all kind of the key pillars of that a company defines to make somebody successful in their company. They can define that as an employee scorecard and get kind of an average grade on that scorecard. And you can do that more and more regularly to gather really, really good data on your employees. So where's the value in that? Well, whenever we're building out crews to go work on a particular job, if that job maybe has special circumstances, maybe it's behind and we've got to get going, we now can put the best, most qualified people on that particular job. It kind of helps us with the scheduling aspects of it. Also too, in big companies, especially with specialty trades, you may get a handful of guys that are super powerhouse guys at particular tasks, but they maybe don't get put on other tasks, so they're kind of obsolete, or they don't necessarily know how to do those other tasks. So what you're able to do is, by taking kind of a seasoned professional in a particular task, and then also some people that maybe could use a little bit of experience, you're just kind of cross-training and broadening the base of skill set inside of your company. We kind of call this earning while you're learning type stuff. You can build your own curriculums with Omnidek. We support videos, so if you wanted to dish out training videos to your team to kind of continually train people on new activities that you want them to get certified on, you can definitely do that inside of Omnidek as well. So I just wanted to highlight kind of the value of maybe taking another step and another look at how you gather payroll time today, and start saying, hey, maybe I would like to get the quality of the work actually out of the timekeeping person as well, because I can use that data and that'll add value to my particular business. So this is Chris Jordan with Omnidek. That's how you can implement Omnidek with not only timekeeping, but also employee scorecards and activity gradings to better analyze your workforce. So if you're interested, you can click the link below and sign up for a free trial of Omnidek, and visit us on the web at www.omnidek.com. Thanks so much.